Guys, in my hand is OnePlus Node, and in this video we are showing some of the hidden tips and tricks related to this phone OnePlus Node. Suppose if you are using OnePlus Node and you want to change the wallpaper of the phone, then you must have two options. You must simply pinch the screen like this. Then here you can see the option wallpaper, widget, home screen, etc. And from here you can choose the wallpaper you want from the photos or anything, and you can select this, and you must press the back button like this, and now you can see that your wallpaper have been changed. Another option is used to your finger. You must press your finger for few seconds like this. The same screen option appeared here. From here you must choose the wallpaper, and you want to change the one you needed, press the back button, and now the wallpaper have been changed. And you know that this is the power button in OnePlus Node, and suppose if you press the power button like this, the voice assistant arrived. And if you need the to switch off the phone from this power button itself, you must go to the settings of your OnePlus Node phone, and from settings you must choose the option to pick buttons and gestures, and from buttons and gestures you must select this one, press and hold the power button, and from here you must change from voice assistant to power menu. And now you can simply switch off the phone by pressing here. You can see here, if you press the power button like this, you have the option to power off or restart from here, from the power off by here or restart by pressing here. Now suppose in your phone camera you are shooting something in like this in 12 megapixel mode, and you want to use the rear camera of 48 megapixel, then you must simply click the 12 MB shown here, and from here you can change it to 48 MB by simply pressing here. But no zooming is possible in 48 MB. Now suppose in your phone gallery you want to rotate an image, you must use your two fingers, and you can rotate the images to any direction by using your few fingers like this. You can also rotate the video also seen in the gallery by this method. If you want to change the keyboard language from English to other regional languages, then you must go to the open the messenger or WhatsApp from EM, and this is the place where we are typing something. We type here, and this area, that is the English keyboard, you can see the language settings from here, and in this setting you must press, and here you can see that the language is currently shown as English, and you can add keyboard by pressing here, and from here you can select the language you wish. For example, if you need Tamil, Gujarati, Kannada, Punjabi, plenty of options are available. And if you want to choose any other language, for example, if you need Hindi, then you must select Hindi, and from here you must select the Hindi keyboard also, and after that press done button, then you must press back, and now if you can see that the in the keyboard section you can see here it is English. You must simply press the English for few seconds like this, and now the change keyboard option, and from here you must select Hindi, and now you can see that the Hindi keyboard arrived here. You can shift to English by pressing this key. Now English in the option, and now Hindi. Now the home screen of my phone, you can see only 1 2 3 columns, and the icon size is small. I will show you how to increase the size of icons and how to increase the number of columns also in this one. For doing this, it is also very simple. You must pinch the screen like this, and from here you must select the home settings, and in the home setting you must go to home screen layout, and from here the columns, you can see only 3 columns, and if you need 4 you must select from here like this 4, or if you need 5 select 5 from here like this. And the icon size, now it is small. If you need medium size, select this, and if you need large size, select this, and you must simply move like this, and now you can see that there are low given, and now you can see that the 5 columns are added here. Size also increase. If you want to decrease the size, you must pinch like this, and from here go to home settings, and from home setting you go home screen layout, and change the columns to 3 and the icon size to small or medium, and after that you must apply like this. You can see that the size have been changed after you press allow. Now you can see that there is a punch hole display in OnePlus Nord, and if you want to hide this part, then there is a method. In your phone setting, you must select the display, and from the display you can have the option of advanced. You click the advanced, and from advanced you must select front camera display area, and from here you must hide the front camera like this, and now you can see that the front camera area have been hidden now. Then another thing is that if you want to increase or decrease the refresh rate, you must select the refresh rate from here, and from here you can change from 19 Hz to 60 Hz. If the refresh rate is less, then you will get more battery life, but a high refresh rate, the screen will be more smooth while you are. Now in the font setting itself, you must go to the display, and in this display you have the option of vibrant in the color effect. That is, if you turn on, you can see that the vibrant color effect arrive for your display. If you want to increase the font size of the phone, you must press the font size, and from here you must select from the default font to small, large, or largest. If you want large font, you must select the large and press back like this. Now the font size become very large. So we normally take a screenshot by pressing the power button like this, and here you can see the option to take the screenshot from here by pressing the screenshot. Another method is you can take screenshot by pressing this power button and the volume down key at the same time, and if we press the screenshot we taken there, we can have the option to edit or take a large screenshot of the entire page. So in your phone setting itself, you must go to the Wi-Fi and network section, and in this Wi-Fi and network section you have the option for dual channel network acceleration. You must click this one, and if you turn both on, after turning on the Wi-Fi and this mobile data, then you can see that you will get a very fast internet. That is, if your mobile data is weak, then you will get a better internet from your Wi-Fi provider, or if your Wi-Fi is weak, you can use the mobile data. So the signal strength is low, then also it will not affect your net speed if you turn on both. Suppose you wanted to Facebook, to WhatsApp, to Instagram, etc. in this phone, you must go to the settings of the phone, and from the settings you can pick the option of utilities, and from here you can see the option parallel apps, and if you click the parallel apps and you turn on the Facebook, you can enable dual Facebook, dual Instagram, dual Messenger, dual WhatsApp, etc. that is, you can use to Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. in this OnePlus Nord by doing this. So this is the emblem of Messenger. This is the dual Messenger. Then this is the WhatsApp original, and this is the dual WhatsApp. Like the way we can get the Facebook. This is the Facebook, and this is the dual Facebook. For more tips and tips, subscribe our channel Engineers Well Online. We will back with another tips and tricks video of OnePlus Nord. Thank you.